Okay, so what do we got here? I'm standing next to an '03 Tundra, and I need a little help. Every time I fill it up with gas, I'll drive it about 50 miles, the check engine light comes on, OBD code, small evap leak. I think it's P0171. I reset the code with the code setter, whatever it is, the scan tool, and it stays off for the rest of the time I drive the tank or the car. No problems, no lights, nothing. And then when I refill, the same thing. Check engine light comes on within 50 miles. I don't tighten the gas cap, I don't touch anything. I just reset it with the code, scan code reader. Can't even think of what the hell that is this morning. Anyways, what's the truck doing? Somebody can tell me in the comments, please.